Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install Claude Code in your local desktop. So first you have to go to this website code.claude.com. You will find the URL in descriptions definitely. And then you will scroll down, you will find install Claude Code steps. Here you will have to copy the one from the Windows PowerShell option. You will simply open your Windows PowerShell and paste this, okay, and click enter. If it's not working normally, you can open Windows PowerShell in administrator mode and do the same. So once you press enter, wait for some time, wait for it to give you the Claude Code successfully installed message, okay, and then it will exit. Now let us see how to use Claude Code. So you will open your Windows PowerShell, okay, you will go inside any directory that you want your Claude Code to work on. I'm inside this Claude Code demo folder. Now you simply write Claude here and press enter. So if you're doing it for the first time, it will directly take you to the login page. If not, you can simply write /login. It will give you three options: Cloud account, Anthropic console, and third party. We will just choose the first option for now. Now it will take you to the Cloud website. Okay. For the first time, it will ask you to log in via your email or Google account. I've already done that. So this is the caveat actually. So you'll have to take Cloud Max or Pro to be able to use Cloud Code. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will explore how can you use Cloud Code in your local without paying a penny to Anthropic. Thank you.